What's going on, everybody? So in today's little video, I'm going to be doing something that I've never really done before. So this is my first Athearn blue box kit, if you can believe that. I got this in the mail yesterday. I ordered it off eBay. It's a New York Central Caboose. This is something that I don't really buy very often. Well, I don't really buy a lot of rolling stock that often, especially Cabooses. I only got, I think, 3 Cabooses in my rolling stock collection. So I'm doing this because I'm pretty much getting tired of running the same Caboose over and over again with my freight consists. So I think it's about time we start getting into this Caboose. Alright, let's do it. And just to make it clear, I am going to avoid using super glue because I know super glue isn't really probably, I wouldn't say best thing to use in something like this, but yeah, it's what I'm not going to be using, if that makes any sense. Alright. There we go. Here's a shell of the Caboose, and in here, I guess there might be wheels, couplers, could be, yep, wheels, trucks, maybe a coupler in there. Oh no, parts for the handrails and whatnot. That's going to be very useful. The underframe and the chassis. Well, you can't call it chassis, can you? And if I can get it out, there it is. Comes with a little weight to put on the Caboose. Alright. And I guess some sort of card to keep it safe, maybe. And here's the instructions on how to do it. Now this is going to be very, very handy. Alright. Okay. Now, let's get to assembling this, shall we? So I'm going to be using the this covered box right here to keep all this in. So there we go. Just dump everything out right there. That is empty. So they'll all be going in here. I think I might put the keep the chassis and stuff in here for now. Alright, and I'm going to say place to put it. Alright, we should be in business, so cue the montage. Whew, right, I just put the base, or the base on, and one thing I just forgot to do is the weight. Oh no, I can actually put it right here. Can I? I have to read the instructions. Hold on. Nope, I can't. It has to go inside the Caboose. Oh, the indignity. Alright, so I managed to get the weight in and drop the underframe. Alright. So it looks like this goes about right here. If I can get it in right. Yeah, there we go, that's in. So, I don't want to take the Caboose on and off too much because I know I'll weaken the plastic. And if I stop dropping stuff, I'd be happy. Alright. So you are going to have to forgive me because this is my first kit build product. I choose a Caboose or some sort of rolling stock, really. Mainly a Caboose because I've always wanted a kit build locomotive. And yeah, this is something that should hopefully help me get me started. So you're going to laugh at me, see me struggling a little bit. And I think I put it in should go in this way, shouldn't it? Yep, alright. Get this weight lined up. I know I can't glue this in, so I'm trying to avoid not to do that, and it's stuck. How delightful. Alright. Before I drop anything else, I need to find a screw to hold all that in, at least. Just found one. I know I should be put in the truck first, but for now, this will just at least hold it in, I hope. Alright, screw hasn't gone in all the way, so try to find another one. There's another one. Not giving up yet. I don't want to give up at all, so this may take a little while. I'm putting off some good entertainment, aren't I? Well, actually, I got most of it done. I just got back from lunch, actually, and decided to take a small break, just a small one, and see if I can do some of this off camera. It's not perfect. I think I still have to touch up this little truck here. But yeah, I did manage to take off the Caboose body, and yeah, I wouldn't recommend you do it over and over again, because if you do, you will eventually break this plastic, which luckily doesn't have any plastic damage. So I guess the Caboose will have to go on last, and just taking a look at the instructions again. So basically, if I can get this out of the way, like I said, I took the Caboose body off again to put the weight in, screwed it down, so it's not going anywhere. This coupler is, it's not doing too bad, but I don't think it's doing that good of a job of, you know, springing back, but that's probably how I assembled it. You are gonna have to forgive me. This is my first kit build product, but this one performs a-okay. So it looks like I might have to do something about this one, so I'll be right back. Well, that didn't even take a minute. Now this coupler is functioning. I just had to unscrew this screw right here to try and adjust a little bit of the underframe, and it's good to go now. So see if I can put this Caboose shell back on again. Alright, there we go. And there we go. Of course I put it on the wrong side. Oh well, I am not going to bother fixing that for the time being. I'm going to have to leave it as it is eventually, apparently. So I will fix that, but I'm just not going to take the body on and off because I do not want to damage this plastic. Alright. Probably should have looked before I put it on, eh? But that is my fault, hands down. So let's get to finishing this thing. Not too shabby, eh? Oh, I know I did mess up under here, but again, I really don't want to risk damaging the plastic on this Caboose by taking it on and off, so I am so sorry about that. I will have to leave it on there for now, unfortunately. Alright, I think I might have to loosen this up just a tad. There we go. Alright, both trucks are loose. Alright, let's go test this out. Right, the beast is back, and she is going to be hauling this new Caboose. Although, let me get her train in shot. So this Milwaukee Road boxcar has a mixture of horn hook and a knuckle coupler, so I can run this red Caboose, because why not? Now, I don't have to worry about that anymore. I now got this thing. So finally, I have a different Caboose. And it free rolls beautifully. That is awesome. No oil needed either. So that's a huge bonus. Alright, let's couple it up. Alright, let's have this Caboose on its maiden voyage around the track. Have momentum on, because I kind of want it to be special. Alright, the beast is moving. And there it goes. There it goes around the track. Nice. Absolutely nice. Well, everybody, that's going to be it for today's video. I really do hope you all enjoy. Let's see if this engine will stop in front of the camera. I don't think it will. But yeah, I most certainly have fun building this Caboose. Even if I made a mistake or two, I did have fun building it. It looks like it ain't it's going to go away from me. Alright, hold on, let me bring it back. So yeah, I really did have fun and enjoy building. I really did enjoy building this kit, and hopefully I'll get more soon. I might start off with some Athearn New York Central heavyweight coaches. I might get myself some of those, and hopefully one day buy a kit built locomotive. I bought this Caboose to start me off with kit building because I know locomotives are usually made of die casts, and if you're unlucky they can be made of brass too, but I think they're mostly die casts, aren't they? So that is why I bought this Caboose, because it's plastic, it's more easier in Athearn Blue Box kit builds, mainly for beginners, are they? So yeah, that is why I got it. So thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Take care, everybody.